Hey, my friend DK here. Welcome to the channel. We're talking about myEcon and talking about how you today, right now, can put over $500 per month back in your pocket without even recruiting or promoting the business. Yeah, you don't even have to recruit a single person here in myEcon, and you can increase the amount of money that you make each and every single month. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So watch all the way through, make an informed decision, make the smart move, and make sure, hey, while you're here, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, get notified anytime I upload new content. You, my friend, will be the first to know. Also, a partner of mine in the network marketing industry, we have recently created a new YouTube channel and a brand new podcast for you to learn some great information on the network marketing industry as a whole. It is called Two Dudes Talking. I'll leave that information right here on the screen. Also, I'll leave the link in the description down below over to that other YouTube channel. Head on over, check us out. It would be greatly appreciated. Now, let's dive into the meat and potatoes of, and I'm literally eating potato salad right here at my desk, which is kind of funny. So, and I have meat there too. My wife just grilled up some sausages. So I have meat and potatoes literally in my plate right now. Anyway, just keeping it real with you guys. So straight up, guys, I'm going to show you and walk you through this income shifting strategy. So pay close attention. This is how you give yourself what's known as an instant pay raise, literally an instant pay raise without talking to your boss, without, getting a second job. It's straight up. It's easy. It works. We have the documented proof. So there's a product and service inside of myEcon called Correct W4, also known as income shifting, also known as an instant pay raise. When you click this here, it's going to open up another tab right here, and you're going to be able to see that in 20 minutes, 20 short minutes, you watch this video and you learn how to shift your income away from the government and put more money back in your pocket. This is not, like a get rich quick thing. This is literally 100% IRS approved. This is the hack that the US government doesn't really want you to know about. Okay. It's less money for them. It's more money for you. That's as simple as it is. And it takes you 20 minutes to go through this process and do this. Now, here's what's really cool. I threw a post into our Facebook group a little while ago, and I said, hey, if you guys have done the income shifting, all right, put how much money you saved, how much money you added back into your bank account doing this process, meaning like how much extra money are you guys making per month after doing the income shifting with myEcon? And the results literally floored me. It was a lot more money than I thought was going to happen here. So check this out, right? I just posted this and it says right here, increase your income. Here's how, watch the video, go over to your, fill out the form, go over to myEcon, go through the exercise, whatever. And then at the end of that, I just said down below, put how much money you're now making. In addition, how much money did you increase into your bank account each and every single month? And the results were just crazy. Beth, $570. Mark, $700. Sherry, $400. Shannon, $510. Isabella, $780. Mary, $420. Corey, $600. So he said $150 a week, just times 4. That's $600. So when you add all those up, so that's right there. That's 7 people that went through so far. And obviously we'll have more of these, but I added it all up. Okay. So the difference that you guys are seeing right here, right, is you take the 7 people and the money they made, it's $568.57 is the average. Okay. So $568 over 7 people, which is crazy. We're not talking like an extra $100. We're talking hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So I want you to ask yourself, what would an extra $568 a month in additional income coming into your bank account to your family, to pay your bills, to pay your debt, to pay whatever it is you want, what would an extra $568 a month do for you and your family? That right there, my friends, is the power of myEcon. That is one of the services, products that you could use literally today, right now. You can give yourself an instant pay raise, legally, ethically, 100% IRS approved. You could do this, and you could put more money in your bank account without even recruiting a single person. So let me ask you, if you got started for even as little as $25, by the way, link in the description down below. When you hit that, you'll come right over here to my page and you'll see this link right here. When you click the link in the description down below, you'll land right on this page. You can see the different level options here. Even if you come in at the lowest level of $24.95, you can still do the income shifting. You still have access to a majority of these products, okay? And you could do the income shifting today and put more money back in your bank account. It's that simple. So straight up, would you pay $25? Would you give 20 minutes of your time to watch this video? 20 minutes, okay? Would you do that to increase your income by over $500 a month? Now, if you say no, you should probably just click off this video. If you're subscribed to the channel, just unsubscribe. If that, I don't understand why you wouldn't do something like that. 20 minutes of your time, $25 investment to make over $500 in additional income per month. I mean, that's just straightforward, easy math right there, my friend. Easy math. So I hope you understand that. Should understand basic math, right? So, I hate to be super straightforward, but that's me. That's who I am. So no apologies. Sorry, not sorry. I want you to get how simple this is and how much more money you could be making with myEcon, my friend. And if you turn around, you decide to promote the business, who knows? You could make thousands of dollars per month in additional income. And we have all the tools, training, education, sales funnels, everything you need to get out there and go crush it literally right now, today in 2025. I'll even leave you an end card right here at the end of this video. You can click on that and watch my full tutorial and overview and discover how you can make even more money with myEcon and what you get by partnering with me and my team. It's well over $11,000 in free value for you just for activating your myEcon membership. So that is it, my friend. If you made it to this point in the video, I truly appreciate you. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you can get notified first anytime I upload new content. Other than that, my friend, hit that end card right there. Check out my full tutorial or hit the link in the description down below. Get started. Hey, save some money, will you? And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.